I've been asked the question before, how can upfitters make money using the IR.Tools Extreme Thermal Film? Well, there's really only two things that matter. One is why. So the why is law enforcement is buying up drones like crazy. These drones have thermal cameras. Add these cameras to the ones already on helicopters and fixed wings, and you've got a lot of thermal cameras out there. Thermal cameras are great at detecting people and vehicles, but it's not great about identifying. The extreme thermal film allows law enforcement to actually identify their vehicles. So anytime you hear your customers talking about drones, thermal cameras, anything like that, those are keywords to let you know you can talk about the extreme thermal film. Number two, whenever you have a proposal that you need to write, which includes the vehicle numbering or lettering, include the extreme thermal film as a upsell, as an option. Those two things will help you make money. If you have any questions, feel free to get hold of me. Our website is www.ir.tools. Look forward to helping.